Welcome back to Random Rock Paints. Today I'm going to do 6 decorative rocks to look like ladybugs. I'm going to use a technique, hydro dipping, with some old fingernail polish I was about to just throw away. And afterwards I'm going to paint each one to be a little different, give them each their own little character. These 3 extra rocks you see were where I was experimenting with the different glitter glazes that I have. One is dragonfly glaze, and it's more like a hologram paint, but it only really shows good if you put a base coat of black on the rock. Another is extreme glitter and glitterific. I'm not sure if I'm saying it. Yeah, glitterific. And they're all by Folk Art. And I'll put a link in the description where to find them. But I experimented on the 3 stones before doing these 6 to see how it would come out. And then I also used Julie Watercolors Lollipop series dot cards. And I'm going to do that on their heads. So the body will be the result of the hydro dipping, and the heads will be done in dragonfly glaze, and then have a wash of the Julie Watercolors metallic paint. Okay, here we go. My first one. Let's do this. I decided to double dip to add more. I'm going to seal it with Liquitex High Gloss Varnish. Now that these are dry, it's time to start painting. First, you need a black base coat. Add the glitter glaze on top of the solid black base coat. Now to add a little shimmer by using Julie Watercolor Jewel series dot cards. The color will tie in with the colors of nail polish I used for the hydro dipping, dark purple and a light purple. It came out so pretty I almost didn't want to paint on top of it to give it the detail to look like a ladybug. Now for the final step, I'm going to use black paint, white paint, and a gold metallic paint marker for the detail to give each ladybug its own character. I'm going to do different patterns.
Now give me the beat. Now give me the beat.
for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to see what I will paint up next.